We use them every single day. Lithium-ion batteries are inside many of the products that we rely on, including our phones, laptops, tools, appliances, and other rechargeable devices.
I think the easiest way to identify a lithium-ion battery is knowing whether your product's rechargeable.
So that could be your toothbrush, that could be your phone, that could be any kind of rechargeable device that you have. It could be in your car, your house, anywhere.
Lithium-ion batteries have become part of everyday life. They help power how we work, communicate, travel, and stay connected. But what many people don't realize is that when these batteries are thrown away improperly, they can quickly become a serious safety hazard. Unlike ordinary household waste, these batteries can become highly dangerous when crushed, damaged, overheated, or punctured. Even small rechargeable items can spark a fire when thrown away improperly. And those fires don't just damage equipment, they put workers, first responders, and the community at risk.
Fire departments are responding to battery fires more frequent than ever. When they're damaged, crushed, or punctured, lithium batteries can undergo a dangerous reaction called thermal runaway, which creates intense heat and can be very difficult to extinguish, and they can even reignite.
Residents, they're the first line of defense. By properly disposing lithium-ion batteries, they make our community safer and also safe for our employees.
Once it enters the waste stream, it can start a fire in the sanitation truck, it can start a fire at the landfill or inside the recycle facility.
Proper battery recycling is important because it helps reduce waste, protect our environment, and provides a more sustainable future for our community.
The good news is that these fires are preventable with proper disposal.
Protecting our community starts with simple choices. By properly disposing of lithium-ion batteries, we can help reduce fires, protect workers and first responders, and support a safer, cleaner future for everyone. Small actions can make a big difference. Visit your local city's website to learn more about battery disposal and recycling options in your area.